Hello, welcome to Devil's World Recipes. Today, we're going to bake a banana bread. This is my mom's recipe. It's very simple, it's very delicious, and you can have it for breakfast with some coffee or chocolate milk. It's really good, so let's get cooking. The ingredients we're going to need are 3 to 4 very ripe bananas, 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of sugar, 8 ounces of butter, 4 eggs, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, half a cup of walnuts, and these are optional. First, we're going to preheat our oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, I have my butter and I'm going to add my vanilla and we're going to mix it real well. I melted the butter a little bit in the microwave. We're going to make this vanilla butter and then we're going to set it to the side. Next, if you're going to add walnuts, get some of your flour and pour it on. Mix them up. This is going to help the walnuts not to go to the bottom of the pan once we bake it. Now, I'm going to grab all my bananas. They're already been pre-cut. And as a tip, I put them in the freezer for a couple of hours. And now we're going to mash them. Once they're all mashed, now we're going to add our sugar and we're going to start mixing. Next, we're going to add our flour and we're going to sift it with a colander. Once all our flour is sifted, we're going to keep on mixing. Once all the flour is incorporated, we're going to add our baking powder and our baking soda. We'll keep on mixing. As we continue mixing, we're going to add our eggs. Now our batter is ready. We're going to add our vanilla butter. We're going to incorporate it. And now we're going to add our walnuts. As I mentioned, these are optional. You can substitute with chocolate chips or both. Now we're going to prepare our pan. I'm putting some cooking spray on it to make sure that it doesn't stick. I'm using a bundt pan, but you can use a loaf pan as well. Now we're going to pour our batter in it. We're going to tap it to get rid of the air. And we're ready to put it in the oven. We're going to cook it between 40 and 45 minutes. While our banana bread is in the oven, it's a good time for you to click on subscribe. If you want to get notified when new videos are coming, click on the bell. And if you enjoy this video, give us a like at the end. Now, let's get back to our banana bread. After the time has passed, we're going to pull our banana bread out of the oven. I'm using a wooden stick to poke it. If it comes out clean, it means it's ready. If it's still sticky, put it back in the oven for a few minutes. I like to unmold while it's still hot. It's a lot easier, but you can wait as well until it cools down. Now to decorate, I have some confectioner's sugar, and I'm just going to sift it on top of it. It's time to try our banana bread. Ooh. So moist. The nuts give them a really good taste. You can also put chocolate chips if you want. It's a very simple recipe. Give this a shot.